Welcome to this video demo for getting started with Flowrev and Xero. Once you've signed up for Flowrev, connect to Xero and allow access to your organization. You will see a summary of accounts, product or service items and tracking categories Flowrev has loaded at the top of the screen. Follow steps 1 through 5 to get started. The first step is to map your chart of accounts. This is a one-time setup to tell Flowrev which accounts to use. Flowrev does support multiple revenue or deferred revenue accounts. To customize these settings, see the additional instructions under Learn More. Next, if you have any product or service items, you will define how Flowrev recognizes revenue by setting recognition parameters. The first parameter sets the frequency at which Flowrev recognizes amounts. The second parameter defines how Flowrev calculates the amount for each period. If you do not have items, recognition parameters can be set at the organization level and can also be set later at the invoice line level. With items, service date rules can also be set. Before setting invoice service dates, we'll go to the org page to load invoices and credit notes. Now, on the invoices page, any service dates automatically set can be reviewed or adjusted. If different lines on the invoice require different service dates, this can be adjusted from the invoice details page. For invoices with service dates specified in a reference field or invoice line description, Flowrev can automatically set the dates upon loading. You can also set or override invoice line recognition parameters here. The next step is to generate your revenue schedule. On the revenue page, click Generate Revenue Schedule. Flowrev will analyze all invoice lines in the selected fiscal year and generate a schedule based on the set parameters. Once generated, Flowrev will display your updated revenue numbers. Schedule Defer and Schedule Recognize numbers will be available. Click on any number on the revenue page to see detailed information. At this stage, Xero still holds the original revenue numbers. To update them, you must sync the Flowrev schedule back to Xero. On the revenue page, click the Sync button for each month you wish to journal back. Once updated, the revenue in Xero will now match the Flowrev numbers. You can follow a similar process for cost recognition by working from the Bills and Costs page. Lastly, on the Reports page you can quickly generate SaaS metrics like monthly recurring revenue or annual recurring revenue, or find financial reports like total revenue, deferred revenue balance and more, all automatically kept up to date and ready at the click of a button. Thank you. Get started today with a free trial at flowrev.com.